Today there's going to be a short tutorial on how to put a surgical mask on. So here I'm holding up a surgical mask, but before you put the mask, make sure you wash your hands. You wash your hands with soap and water, and if you don't have access to soap and water, you can use alcohol sanitizer with at least 60% of alcohol in. So when you pick up the mask, the first step is you don't touch the mask anywhere, because if you touch the mask anywhere, you're contaminating the surface of the mask. And make sure you put it on correctly. There is usually a colored end to the surgical mask, and make sure that the blue end is on the outside and the white end is on the inside. And when you pick up the mask, pick it on the stringy side of the mask, and you loop it behind your ears, and you can pull this side from the inside down, and on the upper side you have sort of a metallic strap, and you press on it and you shape it against the shape of your face and the nostrils. And the reason you want to do that, you want to make it as airtight as possible to the best of your ability, and you press it down so that no air is coming in, and obviously you don't want to breathe on someone else. When you're taking the mask off, make sure that you take it off on the stringy side. There you have it. And then you get rid of the mask, you dispose of the mask, and after you dispose of the mask, you wash your hands. And the reason you're wearing the mask is you want to protect other people from you. You don't want to breathe on them, you don't want to cough on them, you don't want to sneeze on them. And obviously when you're wearing the mask, do not touch the mask. As I said, you don't want to contaminate the mask, and then it's no use wearing the mask. You've soiled the mask, you've made the mask dirty, and it's contaminated the mask. And especially if you touch another surface and you touch the mask. If the mask gets dirty, soiled, or there's too much moisture collecting on the mask, get rid of the mask and get a new mask. So this was a short tutorial on how to put on the surgical mask. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video.